Hey, what's going on, guys? Again, I am here in my Subaru, and like I said in my last video, this is going to be about keys. Now this key, this is for a 2009 Tribeca Legacy, I think maybe Forester, I'm not totally sure, but for sure those two. 2009, it's the newer key, not the blocky one that came before it, but it's the integrated one, so it has both the key and the buttons. And if you want to watch the video where I make this into a working key, just go ahead, go down below, check it out. But in this video, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to program it for my Forester. Now I have a 2005 Forester XT. This will work for models that aren't anywhere below 2004, I believe, anything 2003. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But for 2005 Forester, it'll work. Mine is an XT. So like I said, that video will also show you how to make this work, since the 2005 and up has a little chip on the inside where you have to have that in there that's specific for the car for it to turn the ignition on. So let's get started. Now to get a fob working, what you're going to have to do is sit in the driver's seat of your car, have your key fob ready, and your key fob will come, the new one that you get, will come with 8 numbers. And what you're going to do, once you get started, you have a lock and unlock button on your driver's side. And when you put in the numbers, say the first number is 3, you're going to hit lock or up 3 times. And then when you move on to the next one, you hit down to change. So that's what we're going to be doing for locking and unlocking to put in the code. The rest of it, you will see. All right, now that I'm sitting in the driver's seat, I've got my old key, the one that's already cut. You can use the new one if you want to, but I'm using my old one because I haven't got it cut yet. I've got my numbers right here. So to start out with, have your key in hand, open, close door, put your key in, and turn it to the on position 10 times. There you go, you're going to hear that. And now you're going to go through the lock cycle. You're going to open, close your door. Now that we're done, we're going to hit lock and unlock. Pull it out, and you're going to hear it honk. Now it's locked. Cool.